Okay, so we're doing a little conduit job here. The D-mark is over there on the side of the home, and we're going to do a copper pole because I've confirmed with the customer they don't have any service on their copper line, so we're just going to replace that with the fiber. My issue right now is this tub is filled with gunk, and I don't really know where the copper line is, so I'm actually going to leave you guys here while I go pull at the other end, and then we'll see what moves. Be right back. Okay, so not much luck pulling. It's probably trapped under some mud. Let's see what we can do here. So this line, any others? Oh, that's it. I saw it move over there. So we're in luck actually. It's this guy right here. Very good. Alrighty. So now I'm gonna prep the line, cut it, pull it through, and it should be a quick one. Speed it up. Out there. Not sure where my extra tape is. Move this. And don't get there. I'm starting to spool. This is tracer wire to be able to locate the conduit, or protocol, whenever there isn't another copper line in the conduit. And so we're pulling this out, then it no longer serves. Actually, copper line. Dry off. We'll just do my wrist. So the drop should self-feed, but we got to find a spot for this guy. And honestly, I think I might just hang it from the tree up here. I got to redesign this clamp so it grabs on better. It was initially designed just to grab onto the edge of these tubs, but it's kind of tough in the winter. There we go, that should work. Okay, off to the other end. Don't forget. And here we go. A tough pull. There we go. And we got it. And that's about all we need. The slack just gets coiled in the tub. There we go. It's a little tight here. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but don't have a lot of room to work with. Very odd placement for this. Okay, get all this out of the way. There we go. I'll just coil up the tracer and gets left in here. Probably will never be used, but that's okay. Okay, and we're back. Had a little bit of issues there with the pole. Kept getting stuck here because of the way the elbow comes into the tub. Very weird. But regardless, we got it through. Now I gotta avoid all these spiky branches. Get this out of here. This tub is not ideal for grooming the lines properly, but I will make do. Got the tag on the drop. This is a double drop, a 50-meter double drop. Fortunately, it's all I had. Unless it's a multi-unit home or the customer requests it for a suite or something like that, I don't waste the doubles. But here we are. Make sure it's tight in there, good by hand. Dust caps back together. You can groom these lines a little bit better. This needs to go back in here. Oh, these spiky ass branches. This isn't ideal. And you know what? I hate these things. Get out there. Oh shit. Put that in there. That's better. Time for some pictures. Just showing the coil and my tag. There we go. Just gotta try to get this lid back on. Pick up this garbage. Not too bad. Snow melts in the spring. Should sit a little bit better. And take this thing down. And there you go. That's a conduit job. Easy peasy. See you next time.